Thanks for checking in with Maine's total weather. It's early on a Thursday morning, a day which will feature a good deal of clouds and some milder temperatures. The storm everybody's been talking about all week long really arrives late tonight and especially during the morning hours tomorrow. So it's going to get a little wild around here with both wind and rain. Here's the view from above, and you can see our storm system is off to our west. Out ahead of it, a surge of wind that's bringing moisture our way and also warm temperatures. We get up into the 40s today. You'll begin to notice the warm up and up close to 50 here tomorrow. Of course, with all the snow that we got last weekend, well, now you're going to be melting it very rapidly, and that's going to add water to our rivers and streams. You can see the timeline. Midday today, clouds are in place. Here comes the rain late this afternoon, and especially tonight. There'll be a surge of heavy rain during the overnight and first thing tomorrow morning before it finally moves away tomorrow night. We'll see improving weather here for the weekend. Storm highlights haven't changed a whole lot in the past 12 to 18 hours. Rivers, streams, and brooks. Flood watches are in effect. Melting snow, areas of fog tomorrow during the day, and southeast winds gusting close to 60 miles per hour. That means that damage is possible and power outages are likely. Unfortunately, that is going to coincide with Christmas Day. So if you're checking your list today, maybe even checking it twice, make sure this is on your list. Clean out the drainage areas of snow so we can get the water runoff into the system, avoiding any ponding or flooding in the intersections. Check your generator, make sure you've got enough fuel, because if power outages are widespread, then the duration could be longer than what you typically might expect. Rainfall forecast. Here's where we can see the heavy rain up in the mountains, lesser amounts closer to the coast, but still the possibility of some flooding. And those heavy rainfall amounts, rivers and streams are going to rise quickly. There are some portions of central New Hampshire that picked up close to 2 feet of snow and still have that on the ground. A lot of that is going to melt over the next 24 to 36 hours. By the time the weekend gets here, the sun is back. Temperatures are going to be a bit more seasonable with highs in the 30s.